Celpip reading, top 5 mistakes to avoid. The Celpip reading test checks your ability to understand written English in everyday situations. Many students lose marks not because they don't understand the passage, but because they make common and avoidable mistakes. By being aware of these errors, you can improve your score significantly. So, let's discuss top 5 mistakes student makes and how we can avoid them. Mistake 1. Not reading the question carefully. One of the most common mistakes in the Celpip reading test is rushing through the question without fully understanding what it's asking. Many students see a few familiar words and immediately jump to the answer choices. This often leads to wrong answers, even when they understand the passage well. Celpip questions are designed to test specific skills, such as identifying the main idea, purpose, inference, or details. If you misread the question, you might look for the wrong kind of information in the passage. Tip to avoid this mistake: always read the question slowly and carefully. Highlight or mentally note key words like according to the passage, most likely, main purpose, or tone. Understanding exactly what the question is asking will help you locate the correct information and choose the best answer with confidence. Mistake 2. Relying on memory instead of the passage. One of the most common errors in the Celpip reading test is when students try to answer questions using their memory or general knowledge, rather than the information given in the passage. Why this is a problem? The Celpip test is designed to check how well you understand and interpret written text. Even if you know a lot about the topic, your answer must be based only on what is written in the passage. If you rely on what you already know or remember from a different source, your answer may be wrong, even if it seems logical. Always go back to the reading passage to locate the exact sentence or section that supports your answer. Look for keywords from the question and find their match in the text. This ensures that your answer is accurate and supported. Mistake 3. Overthinking simple questions. A common mistake Celpip test takers make is overthinking questions that are actually straightforward. Instead of choosing the obvious answer, they start to doubt themselves, read too deeply into the question, and pick an option that wasn't even needed. Why this happens? This usually happens when students believe the test is trying to trick them. They assume that the easiest answer is probably wrong and end up choosing a more complicated one. This can lead to wrong answers on even the simplest questions. The smart approach: trust what is clearly stated in the passage. If a question seems simple, it probably is. Focus on the exact words used in the passage and match them with the question. Don't read between the lines unless the question asks you to infer or guess the meaning. Let's understand by example. If the passage says, Tom left the office at 5 p.m., and the question asks, when did Tom leave work? The correct answer is 5 p.m. Overthinking may lead someone to wonder, maybe he left later after finishing some extra work. But that's not in the passage, so it's incorrect. Mistake 4. Not managing time. In the Celpip reading test, every section is strictly timed, which means you need to move efficiently from one question to the next. A major mistake many students make is spending too much time on one difficult question, leaving less time for the others. Why it's a problem? If you spend 3 to 4 minutes stuck on one question, you might rush through the remaining ones, leading to poor focus and careless mistakes. Remember, each question carries equal marks, so it's better to answer more correctly than to focus too long on one tricky one. Smart strategy to avoid this: if a question is taking too long, make your best guess, select an answer, and move on. Use the review button if you're unsure, so you can come back to it later if you have time. This keeps you on track and improves your chances of finishing the entire section. Mistake 5. Ignoring context clues. Many Celpip test takers lose marks because they try to guess the meaning of a word or phrase without reading the full sentence or paragraph. They focus only on the unfamiliar word and forget to look at the context, which often provides helpful hints. Why context clues matter. Context clues are the words and sentences around a difficult word. These nearby words can help you understand the meaning by giving examples, explanations, or contrasting ideas. Ignoring them often leads to wrong answers or confusion. How to use context effectively. If you come across a word you don't know, don't panic. Read the full sentence and even the sentence before or after. Ask yourself, what is the tone here? Is the sentence positive or negative? Are there any examples or comparisons? These clues often reveal the correct meaning. Let's understand by an example. Sentence. Unlike his cheerful sister, Max was always sullen and quiet. If you don't know what sullen means, the word unlike and cheerful give a clue that Max is not cheerful, so sullen must mean gloomy or unhappy. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.